Say hello to Z Flip 3, the most usable and user-friendly foldable smartphone, and let's talk about what makes it the best foldable. For me, folding devices were more gimmicky than a real game changer. More like that time that we had rounded phone and things like that, but I kind of liked the Motorola foldable. It was cheaper and made more sense because of the folding format. For a lot of people, current phones are big enough, and making them chunkier to just have a bigger, fragile display doesn't make any sense, even without considering the price tag. And that's where the Z Flip 3 comes in. It's half of the size of a normal phone while having the same display size. The battery is 3300 milliamps, and this is my main concern because of the 6.7 inches display with 120 Hz refresh rate. It's through the battery very fast. Also, no S Pen support for this model. It would make a nice addition, but they didn't include it. 8 GB of RAM is enough, and 12 megapixel camera is here. It's good enough quality as well. The starting price is $999, and that's my first point. The price is still high for a lot of people, but it came down to flagship level price when you compare it to its bigger brother, meaning the Galaxy Z Fold 3. You should take into consideration that the phone has almost flagship specs plus the folding magic, and I can tell you it's a fair price. Also, the new design is so elegant and beautiful, just look at it. Flat edges with two color backs, simple and beautiful. Also, they listen to two main complaints about the last gen, and they add the 120 Hz display and a bigger outside display with more function like weather app, timer, notification, and etc. But something is still absent. The display is stronger than last model, but it's still weak, as if you pressure your fingernail against it, it would leave a permanent mark. This is a big problem because you can escape from accidental scratches in your pocket with a fold format, but you still can't use it as a normal phone. It's water resistant, and that's a very nice step forward, because our phones see more and more abuse every day now. No dust resistant rating, but you can tell they try to fix that as much as possible. But still, the plastic display is such a deal breaker for everyone. This format makes so much sense. You use the outside screen for notification and clock. The sound of the closing is so satisfying. Their price is good, especially when you want to try this new foldable format. It's a phone that you can recommend to people, but until there is a but, after all the good things that you say, you never can expect people to buy this, especially now that people buy mid-range phones and use them longer than ever. And that's why the sales numbers are kind of equal to Z Fold. The two generations of Z Flips combined sold 2.6 million units compared to 2 million units for Fold last two models. The Z Flip target market is ready to accept this phone more than any foldable, and I think even this model will break some records. And when the screen can be fingernail pressure resistant, that's when the numbers will skyrocket. Check out what YouTube wants you to watch. If you like this video, leave a like. If you don't, press dislike, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.